We didn't kill anyone.
Nta muntu twishe.
Self's behind this.
Self byose niwe biri inyuma.
Don Self.
Don Self.
Rated agent and an honorable man.
Yari agent wacu mwiza kandi uyubahaga yari imfura.
But you wouldn't be the first guy to sit in that chair.
Ntabwo ngira ngo se n'ubwa mbere waba wisanze wicaye muri ya ntebe y'umuriro.
Me a bill of goods.
Uzira ibyaha bibi wakoze wica abantu b'inzira karengane.
So by the time you worked things out,
you slipped up.
No, because we were in the dark just as much as you were.
Yavuga ati matu bito ahangaha turimo gushidikanya tumeze nko turi mu dilemma cyangwa doubting. Nkuko nango muri murashidikanya. Ntabwo muza makuru neza muri kano kanya muri mu buyobe.
You're not putting this together. Think about how much Silla's worth. Think of the lengths that Self went to keep this thing off the books.
Avuga tumva ibaze n'ubyango ndakubeshya ibaze kuntu sira ihenze unibaze byose Self yakoze. Agira ngo abigire ibanga akore emission mu ibanga. Agira ngo abikora agafunikira iki?
Us of all people.
Ibaze utwebwe koko twebwe ubwacu mu bantu bose muri isiko ko bahemuka.
Pulling this job off.
Ugira ngo ntango tuzagaciro kubuzima bwacu kubyo twahemuka mission tuyirangije.
For 5 minutes stop thinking about us and focus on Self.
Umva mwiduhanga amaso go muhanga amaso Self nyirizina.
Why would we jeopardize our freedom?
Ibaze ukuntu twarimbura kwikira kwizana kwacu twari tubonye muri kano kanya.
Only thing we've ever cared about.
Ibaze ukuntu twakwishyira ahangaha tubizi ko tugiye guhemukira finali yacu kujya kubaho neza dutekanye ntabwo twabikora. Ubwo hari undi wabikoze kugira ngo dushyire mu byago ko twe ubwacu impamvu nyamukuru rero hanga twese tuvunikira yari kwishyira kwizana kwacu.
Where's Fernando?
He's on his way.
Sasa ngo bakajanga hari Fernando ntagara bakuze na baraje.
Maybe she can make some calls, see where they're holding Link.
Afite mushiti wanjye uri muri FBI wagicaduka muri Federal Bureau. Arwa yahamagaye. Michael.
It's Schofield.
All right, so answer it.
Yamagaye gwece ngaho mwitabe.
I should have put a bullet in your face when I had the chance.
Ati cyagiye mfite amahirwe mba nabikoze nka kurasa byari kuba byiza kurushaho.
I'm not the one who set you up, Michael.
Naganje bagambaniye Michael. Ninde? Kamugoye wumva bagambaniye uwo ari we. I had done self bavugane.
You know, I meant what I said before, Michael.
Michael rwose amagambo navuze mbere hose nari ndiseriye.
Style. Okay, you're a smart guy.
Vugane rwose nakunze ukuntu ukora ibintu mbere hose kuri umuhanga nakunze style yawe.
For you.
Cyo gihe.
Just a little